What kind of channel do you think this is? Put that back on, sir. Oh, I just got a bad piece.
Back until you give me half.
Honey, I'll end this video right now. I've given up. Hey guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew. It is day 1 million of quarantine.
Thanks for that. No naps for me.
Get over here. You're in this video.
Oh, I am?
Yeah. Josh was taking a nap, so I just decided to start filming. Because that's like the level of petty that I'm on today. Hey, Smooshy.
Hey. I love you.
I love you too. It's I think it's day 6 of box week.
I don't know what day it is.
It's day 6. Well, I don't know what day it is. I don't know what month it is. All I know is we're still in the quarantine. But we're gonna open up the Love with Food box. So we're gonna try some snackies. Some little snackies while you're half asleep.
It's just what I need.
I got Mr. John Wayne here, the main man of my channel,
Okay.
to open up the box. And Love with Food is a monthly food box subscription. It is $10 a month, and if you use our referral code, the kids get sent an extra bonus box. So they like it whenever somebody orders our code, because then they get more.
I'm gonna eat all of it and not tell them.
They're not gonna, and they're not gonna pick our link because they don't want you to do that to the kids.
They might have kids and understand.
Alright, so we'll get into this. The Love with Food box is a nice healthy alternative for good snacks. It says, I'm lucky because, why are you lucky? It's bad timing.
Yeah, that's pretty rough.
I'm lucky because I get to work from home.
Yeah.
Alright, so right now the first one is Cracklin Kamut.
How do you wear a sweatshirt in here with the heat on?
Brand. What kind of channel do you think this is? Put that back on, sir.
It's for adults.
Brand wheat snack, non-GMO with sea salt. Okay, so let's try to get in here. I got it. Jeez, this whole bag is 140 calories.
I understand why my mom always got on to me about my Lego problem. I always use my teeth to pull the Legos apart.
Crackling. I didn't use my teeth though.
You started to.
I didn't. Thought about that. I was like, oh, he'll yell at me.
It's pretty good.
Oh. This is called... This is called Split. You get a spread of almond butter and blueberry spread. I was all excited because I was like, it's peanut butter! And I was like...
Put it on some toast.
And then I was like, it's almond butter. Only 4 ingredients. It's gluten-free. This whole thing is 160 calories, this pack of stuff.
I'm gonna be honest, it probably tastes terrible, but we're gonna try it.
Go ahead and try it.
And we'll get back to it next time.
I also could have ordered these! Oh my goodness! Ah!
Okay.
Alright, sorry that happened.
It's okay.
Oh! I thought this was a dog treat. It's a piece of cardboard. I'm having mirages. I'm cracking up, I'm having mirages.
What, were you excited to taste the dog treat?
I don't know what I was excited for, but I was excited. Alright, Kodiak Cakes, Bear Bites. You know, we should save these snacks in case we run out of reserves here in the quarantine. Yeah, see? Think about it. Bear Bites. These are little bitty graham crackers. Oh, this little beautiful! They're so cute! They're so cute! You see these?
I love you.
I love you too. Look how cute they are, though.
I bit his toes off.
Alright, the whole thing. This whole container is 120 calories.
It actually tastes really good.
They taste like regular... They're more cinnamony. They
smell like the Christmas cookies from whenever I was a kid.
You know, they're like the adult version of the animal cracker. You know what I mean? Like graham crackers. Like,
these taste better than
well, yeah, like the adult version. Like they're like a little better. They're like we're for
graham crackers if they weren't made of cardboard.
Oh, we're gonna try beanitos. I think super powerful beans. Original OMG.
Wait, are these beans legit blue or this is just
sea salt? Black bean chip. They're black.
Okay.
Black is too bad. This whole package is 130 calories. Now, I do want to point out that since I'm on a more keto-based diet, that's why I'm only trying like one of each. I can't get this open. So I won't, these aren't really snacks, a lot of them that I can really enjoy. That chip don't look right. Does it taste right though?
It's really dry, strange consistency. Given that it's made out of beans, it could be worse.
5 grams of protein. How many carbs are in it though? Oh, I just got a bad piece.
Okay, babe, it's not that bad.
I got a bad bite. I think someone went on my nose.
Are you okay?
No, it tastes really bad.
Where's your water
I
bottle?
don't know where my water.
Do you want some water, honey? I'm gonna go get her some water.
It's okay. We'll keep moving. We're gonna keep moving. It's fine.
15 grams of carbs.
Okay, next we're gonna try this undercover dark chocolate sea salt crispy quinoa. This little bitty guy is only 35 calories. It's no protein.
Bummer.
It's got carbs in it, but it's not like a ton.
Bummer.
But it's like a little bitty thingy. This is what it looks like.
Those bean chips are actually really good. I like them.
Okay, so this thing is 35 calories.
Hold on. I don't know if I'm allowed to say what I think it looks like.
Poop.
A sandy poo.
Poot. That stuff's really on my nose. It burns. Bean burns.
I don't know how you did that.
I don't know.
I'm so confused. I really like the consistency.
It's like a Nestle Crunch bar,
Saltier.
but better.
Yeah.
A salted Nestle Crunch bar. Much excite.
The aftertaste is a bit rough. But it's super salty.
I'm here for it. Hey.
But up front, it's good.
Yeah.
You might be into that. If you're a psychopath about salted caramel,
So
you'll love this.
I was actually really excited to try this. I saw these on the website Acorn Bar, and oh my gosh, this whole thing is only 100 calories. It does have a lot of carbs in it though. Poot. We were just like beside her. Oh, this is so pretty. We're like so awkward now. After being in lockdown, we're just weird people now. We're different. We're not as cool. I like the way it looks. It looks like a brownie. Oh, it's so pretty.
Hold on.
We're gonna do it slowly?
Is that a hair?
No, it's no. It's goo. It's like
It's fiber. Okay.
no, it's not a fiber. It's like the caramel or whatever it is, the bonding agent. Oh. Smell it first. It's gotta smell. It's gotta smell. I wonder if this has something I'm allergic to in it. I think I might be allergic to something in this.
Now she takes a bite.
Oh my god, this is good. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh, it's so good.
Yeah, coconut, ginger, and apricot.
Oh my god.
This is really good.
This is so good.
How has this not been made into like a mainstream like treat?
This is so good. It's like 100 calories.
This thing is insane. We're ordering these.
Give me this back. There's not enough here now.
Nope. I'm not giving the box back until you give me half.
Honey, I'll end this video right now. I've given up. We ain't never getting out of lockdown.
I'll fight you.
You stuck with me. Guess what? There's only one thing left in here. It's a little owl thingy. You can have those little stanky bean chips.
They're really good. Let me look those up. I want to order some.
Honey, can we do that after the video? We actually have to... See, now you know what's happened. You know what the problem is? We forget that we're even filming. Because we're so used to it just being you and me that we're like, oh yeah, there's people here watching us.
I failed to see how that's bad.
Oh wait, mint. Dark chocolate bite.
Ew.
It's a caffeine boost. It's a caffeinated content. One bite is half a cup of coffee.
No!
No. No. Joshua David.
These bean chips are really good.
Do you want some of the coffee owl or not? It's mint chocolate chip.
I'll take a bite.
Don't look so mad.
Nibble. Make it a little tiny corner.
That's really unexpected.
The mint is really subtle. It's not like those terrible Christmas candies.
It tastes like the ones at Olive Garden, Andy's. I like it. Want the rest of your bite? I actually like this box. I love the acorn bar.
I bet you did. I just want you to know it took everything in me to not be petty and just show everybody all the food in my mouth because you're holding out on me on that acorn bar. No.
So I want to share it with you later.
No, it isn't. It's because...
It is.
Wait, you're going to share it with me later?
Yeah, we're going to surprise you later and share it with you after dinner as a little treat between the two of us. You ruined it.
No, I didn't. You didn't have to tell me right there.
Yes, I did.
No, I didn't. I didn't stick my tongue out.
Yes, I did. Because you were pouty.
You just didn't want to.
You want to what?
Because you're bad at surprises.
Oh, I'm really good at
Anytime.
Michael Jordan's restaurant.
Actually, you're right. But she literally, like, dies inside every day that passes that she can't, like, tell somebody or show somebody a gift. It's, like, adorable. She's literally the most adorable person I've ever seen.
I'm not the most adorable person.
Yeah, she does the most adorable stuff ever.
No, I was going to share it with you. A little pick-me-up to make you smile after dinner because we can't go anywhere.
Well, I've eaten terribly today.
I've actually done a pretty good job.
I ate all that bread.
I'm proud of myself.
The lemon bread.
Not proud of that. I didn't do it.
And then I ate all the crinkle.
And you're complaining over a low-calorie
Well,
dessert.
I mean, the crinkle was only about that long.
Well,
This
but
wide and...
The bar is this big. Okay. So,
It's really good.
I think that's all we have for them today.
Yeah. Josh's confession channel. Dietary confessions.
But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video.
Yeah. What she said.
Forgot what I'm supposed to say here. Enjoy our forever family because we're literally the best crew because enemy and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing week. Have an amazing life. And I will see you tomorrow for day 7 of Box Week. I'll talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. 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 How am I going to start the video and like question my name? I was like, it's me, Drew. I'm going to tell you, this quarantine thing, it's got me messed up. It's got me all sorts of messed up. So, well,